Hey guys, Steve here. Well, I got another video today and it's going to be a cooking video. I'm going to be using some Ridge Monkey gear. I'm going to cook up a bit of a chicken casserole for tea tonight, so I thought I'd show it to you because I haven't used this particular pot before and I want to cook up a casserole in it, so I thought I may as well do a bit of a cooking thing. I don't normally do a cooking video. Oh, I have done a couple, but I'll show you how I kind of cook it up. So we'll get that intro out of the road, and then we'll get into it. Cheers. Okay guys, welcome back. Like I said, going to do a bit of a cook up. I've got all the ingredients here. I bought one of these Master Food farmhouse chicken casserole bases, tomato, a couple of potatoes, some carrots. I bought some little chicken lovely legs, got those, and I've also got like a simmer veggie mix, all pretty chopped up, great for when you're camping. A little bit of oil, and I've got just a bag of flour here, and we've just thrown a few herbs and spices in there. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to fry up the chicken. Well, I'm going to put it in the bag of flour, fry it all up, get it a little bit brown, throw it in the pot, throw all the juices in there, cut up a potato, throw that in there, and the carrots, tomato, and just let it simmer away for a few hours. Pretty simple cook up, something easy we can all do. So we'll get in now, and we'll get all the chicken and get it all browned up, and then we'll show you throwing the rest in, eh? Cheers. Okay guys, after a bit of technical difficulty there with the camera, I accidentally pressed the fast motion putting it in. I can show you me doing that, but I've actually just cut the packet open, put all the lovely legs inside this little bit of with the flour mix, and then good thing is you can just mix it all around like that and get it all coated, and it doesn't take real long then, and you don't make a mess everywhere. Great idea. So those little Ziploc bags, make sure you carry them around with you. We're going to move over to the cooker there now and get cooking, so we'll head over there now. Okay guys, I've got one of the other little Ridge Monkey plates here that I'm going to just fry up the chicken in. So I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of oil in there. Now this is a non-stick pan, but a little bit of oil won't hurt. Just get it going around a bit, so we'll just get that coated all over that pan there and get a little bit of heat in it. Now with the chicken, just need to get off the excess a little bit, so just make sure you give them a little bit of a shake, and just a matter of throwing them in there with the oil and that, and just getting them all fried up a little bit. So you're not really cooking them, you just want to just get them browned up a little bit so that when you put them in the pan, they hold together a little bit. So that's pretty easy. So we'll get all that done, and then once I get that done, I'll show you the next step, eh? So just make sure you check out my other video on the Ridge Monkey gear, and I show you it all. So I've got another video up about that, but I thought I'd do this little bit of a cook up today and just show you me actually using it. So we'll come back to it in a minute when I've got a bit more to show you. Okay guys, I've just about got these, I reckon, right. They're just fried off enough that I can put them in the saucepan in a sec. So we'll just turn this gas off, and we'll just let those sit there for a sec, and we'll move back over to the other bench here, and we'll get all the veggies and all that ready, and we'll pick these up and throw them in, eh? Okay guys, we've got the chicken fried off over there, so I bet while that was happening, I was over here as well, and I was chopping everything up. So I've chopped up the 2 potatoes, the little carrots, the tomato. I've got my mixed veggie mix here, my casserole mix. So all we've got to do is grab our chicken, and the good thing about this bench here, it's got an aluminium top, so I don't have to worry about burning the top of that. So we're just going to put the chicken pieces in the bottom of the casserole dish here. And my watch is happy with that. It just told me I'm doing a great job, so it must be fine. So that's one of the Ridge Monkey plates that I've used there. So there's the chicken there in the bottom of the casserole dish. It's a good deep-sided dish here, so that's what I reckon it's going to be perfect for this. So I've got all my potatoes, tomato and carrots there, so we'll just drop those in. Mix them around a little bit. How easy is this, eh? Like me can cook something like this, yous can. So, and then we're just going to throw in, I'm not really going to need all that veggie mix because it's quite a lot in there. We might just put half in, I think. And we'll throw in the sauce mixture. And then we'll show you what it all looks like, eh? Okay guys, I've got just about everything in there now. I hope you can see that. I've got the sauce mixture, the veggies. I'm just going to put in 1/4 cup of water as well. And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir. So just put that sauce mixture through it. And then it's just a matter of moving back over to the cooker there and getting it on the heat. So we'll get back over there now, eh? Also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really helps my channel out. Like when I'm playing the intro there, if you can hit that subscribe button at the end of the video, hit the like button if you liked it, and don't forget to hit that bell too so you get notifications when I put a video up. It really helps my channel out. So, you know, thanks very much. I appreciate all your support. We'll get back to the cooking now, eh? Cheers. Okay, we'll get this little cooker heated up again. So this is my little partner stove that I'm using in my IGT. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this up to a boil, and then once it's boiling, we'll let it simmer for a while. So the beauty about these little Ridge Monkey products, the lids are interchangeable with a few of them, and they clip together. They can be a little bit cantankerous to clip that together, I can tell you. But once you get them, and they just clip together like that. So I'm just going to let that, hopefully you can see me now, I'm just going to let that come to the boil, and then once it's boiling I'll just turn it back to a slow simmer, and we'll just let it simmer away there for a while. Cheers guys. Okay guys, we're going to have a look at it because it's been on for a few hours. Have a look at that. How good does that look? Like everything's nice, and meat looks really well cooked. The potatoes, I just stuck a fork in those. They're nice and soft. They're ready to break up. So looks really good. We're going to serve it up now. So it tastes bloody good. So it's a quick and easy meal. We'll plate her up. We'll give you a look at it. I'll tell you my thoughts. I'll have a bit of a chew on it. Tell you whether it's any good, and we'll finish up from after that, eh? Cheers. Okay guys, we've got it all plated up. I'll have a bit of a sneaky taste, eh? I'll get a bit of this potato. And there's a bit of chicken here I found broken up in the bottom. See if I can get it in my mouth. Oh bloody hell, that's good. Oh mate, that is absolutely beautiful. So that was really quick and easy. Just a few simple ingredients, a bit of potato, some mixed veggies, a couple of bits of chicken. You can put any chicken you want in there. I just bought the lovely legs. You could put breast pieces, whatever, wings, wing tips. Really quick and easy just to put it in the bowl. Like I said, I used the new Ridge Monkey saucepan. Someone did just ask me a minute ago how big it is. It looks about 2 litres, maybe 2.5 litres. So there's plenty in there for the whole family if you want to do a cook up. Check out Drifter. They're a fantastic product. This is a great meal. I'm going to go have it before it gets cold. So, you know, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like always, if you have any questions, queries or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. So stay safe, look after each other, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.